Hello dear students, welcome back to EDUHUNT online teaching for mathematics. At this section today we are going to discuss about 8th class mathematics time and distance. Actually this is worksheet number 2. Am I clear? So have a look at question number 1. Two trains starts from P and Q respectively and travels towards each other at the speeds of 50 km per hour and 40 km respectively. By the time they meet, the first train has travelled 100 kilometers more than the second. The distance between P and Q is, question what I am asking, the distance between P and Q. So clearly, so actually this is a time problems on train concept. So before that, so once I am explain that problems on train concept. So first one, problems on train, problems on trains. Am I clear? So case 1 very important. What is case 1? A train crosses a pole or a tree or a man. It covers a distance equal to its length. So LT is the length of the train. So what I am given? A train crosses a pole or tree or man. So nothing but these are constant objects. Okay na? It covers a distance equal to, here covers a distance equal to its length is a distance. This is very important note. So what I am given the first case, a train crosses a pole or tree or man, it covers a distance equal to its length, because pole, tree and man haven't length. So nothing but these are constant objects. So a train crosses a pole or tree or man, it covers a distance equal to its length. Nothing but length of the train is called distance. This is case 1. Am I clear? So case 2. A train crosses LT is the length of the train. A train crosses a bridge or platform or tunnel. A train crosses a bridge, nothing but length of the bridge or platform. Sometimes it will be considered as a platform or a tunnel or bridge. It covers a distance equal to, so here what I am taken first, length of the bridge, so LB. A train crosses a bridge, it covers a distance equal to length of the bridge plus length of the train. This is a distance. This is very important note. So if it is given platform, a train crosses a platform, it covers a distance equal to length of the platform plus length of the, so length of the platform plus length of the train. So that is a distance. Am I clear? So if it's given tunnel, length of the tunnel plus length of the train. Am I clear? So this is very important because bridge contains some length. A train crosses a bridge, nothing but so length of the bridge plus length of the train is a distance. That is case 2. What is case 4? Case 3. Two trains are moving in opposite direction. Two trains are moving in opposite direction. Two trains are moving in opposite direction with respect to S1 and S2 speeds. Then the relative speed. So one speed compared with another speed in opposite direction, then the relative speed equals to sum of their speeds. Relative speed equals to sum of their speeds, nothing but S1 plus S2. That is the relative speed. What is relative speed? One speed compared with another speed. If it is given any, not only trains, any two objects moving in opposite direction, sum of their speeds is the relative speed. That is case 3. Am I clear? So what about case 4? So T1, so moving in same direction. Here what I am given? So T1, this is S1, it is S2. T1 runs at the speed of S1 km per hour. T2 runs at the rate of S2 km per hour. So in the same direction. Here what I am given the direction, same direction. So in the direction S2 is greater than S1, it is possible to move the same direction and crosses the first train. So T1 and T2 crosses the or passes the T1 means what? So T1 train crosses the T2 train, nothing but S2 more than S1, nothing but speed of the first train is greater than speed of the sorry, here speed of the second train is greater than the speed of the first train, it is possible to move the same direction and passes the train or crosses the first train. Am I clear? So here relative speed, if any two trains, not only trains, any two moving objects moving in the same direction, then the relative speed equal to difference of their speeds. Difference means S2 minus S1, because S2 is more than S1, or difference of their speeds, that is the relative speed when it is moving same direction. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 1. So what I am given, two trains P and Q respectively and traveling towards each other at the speeds 50 km per hour and 40 km per hour. By at what time they meet? If the first train has covered 100 km more than second, so the distance between the P and Q. So if it is given this type of question, one train already, first train has travelled 100 km more than second, because first train speed is more than second train. So if it is given this type of condition, finally what I am asking, distance equal to formula sum of the speeds by difference of speeds into difference of the distance. This is a formula. So here sigma s means sum of their speeds, sum of the speeds, that is sigma s. Delta s means difference of their speeds, difference of speeds. Am I clear? Delta d means one train already covered 100 km more than second train, nothing but difference of the distance, difference of distance. So those values put to that equation, sum of their speeds, nothing but 50 plus 40, 90 by difference of their speeds 10 into difference of distance 100 kilometers. So 0 0 cancel, what I am getting, 900, 9 into 100, 900 kilometers. Option 4 is right answer. So this is actually formula method. According to traditional method, how we approach the answer. So nothing but school method. So I have to explain school method also. So according to school method, so two trains moving in opposite direction crosses each other with 50 and 40. So two trains already given from P and Q. Two trains starts for two places P and Q given. Am I clear? So let me take in, this is P place, this is a Q place. Two trains starts, T1 starts at P1, T2 starts at P2. Am I clear? So T1 speed already given 50 km per hour, T2 40 km per hour. Am I clear? So T1 speed 50, T2 40 km per hour. At what time? Actually by the time they meet, by the time they meet. So if they meet each other, the first train has travelled 100 km more than second. But question what I am asking, distance between the P and Q. So clearly we need to observe. So for example, both are moving in opposite direction. So here direction is opposite. Am I clear? Opposite direction. So for example, this is a crossing place. What I am taken, this one actually T1 is greater than T2. T1 speed of the T1 is greater than T2. So clearly we need to understand. For example, in that question, it will be considered as a crossing place or passing place, crossing point. Okay, na, crossing point. So clearly we have to observe. So T2 starts from Q2. So for example, what I am taking, T2 covers x kilometers from Q to crossing point. So P nothing but T1 covers how much distance, 100 meters more, 100 kilometers more means what, x plus 100 kilometers. So how will get x plus 100? Already given the condition. By the time they meet, so meeting point, nothing but crossing point, the first train has travelled 100 kilometers more than the second train. So that's why I am taken first second train covers, so second train covers x kilometers from at the crossing point. So first train covers x plus 100 kilometers. Am I clear? So clearly we need to observe. So here which one is equal? Time is equal at crossing point. So which type of time? So T1 starts at P, T2 starts at Q. So T1, P2 crossing point, how many hours travel? The same time, time Q also travel, but different distance. But here time is equal, but distance are not equal, because T1 speed is more than T2 by 10 km per hour. So 50, 40. Am I clear? So here which one is equal? At crossing point or meeting point? Crossing point or meeting point? crossing or meeting. Am I clear? At crossing point, T1 takes how much time? It is equals to T2 takes the same time. Am I clear? So T1, so times equal at crossing point. So which one is equal? Time equal. So clearly we need to understand at a crossing point, T1 and T2 timings are equal. Actually at crossing point, time taken by T1 equals to time taken by T2. Nothing but times are equal by T2 time. So nothing but time is equal. Time equal. So therefore, time equal to formula distance by speed. This is a time formula, distance by speed. Am I clear? So clearly we need to understand T1 distance how much from P to crossing point x plus 100. And what is the speed? 50 equal to time taken by T2. So distance by speed, x kilometers distance, Q to crossing point, how much speed? 40. 0, 0 cancel according to cross multiplication. 4x plus 400 equals to 5x. So therefore x equals to 400. But question what I am asking, total distance between P and Q. So that means what is the PQ distance? X plus 100 plus x, nothing but 2x plus 100 kilometers. So 2x, x value already got how much? 400, nothing but 2 into 400, 800 plus 100. Total will become 900 kilometers. Am I clear? So total distance nothing but x plus 100 plus x, nothing but 2x plus 100 is the total distance between P and Q. So 900 kilometers is right answer. This is a school method. But what is the formula method? Sum of the speeds by difference of speeds into difference of distance. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 2. How long will a boy take to run around a square field of side 35 meters if he runs at the rate of 9 km per hour? So time asking in seconds, options already given in seconds. So according to units concept for DTS rule, what is the DTS rule? Distance given in kilometer, time must be taken in hours. What about speed? Kilometer per hour. If distance given in meter, time must be taken in seconds. What about speed? Meter per second. Am I clear? So a question what I am asking, time asking in seconds. So nothing but distance compulsorily taken in meters, speed compulsorily converted into meter per second. That is very important thought. So but in that question what I am asking, how long? Nothing but time. A boy runs around a square field. A boy runs around a square field. Each side how much given? Side 35 meters. All sides are equal, 35. Am I clear? So if he runs 9 km per hour, so speed already given. Speed how much given? 9 km per hour. So here what is the total distance? Total distance equal to perimeter of a square, nothing but 4a, 4 into 35 meters. Nothing but 140 meters. That is the distance. Am I clear? 4 into 35. So question what I am asking, time equal to how much time covered? 140 meters covered in how much time if we maintain 9 km per hour. So time equal to formula distance by speed. So distance by speed. Am I clear? Distance by speed, that is the time. So distance already obtained 140 meters. So distance already given in meters. Nothing but speed compulsorily converted into meter per second. That means so 9 km per hour into convert into meter per second. Nothing but into 5 by 18. But finally we get seconds in answer. So 9 ones are 9 twos are. It can be written 140 into 2 by 5. 5 by whole divided by 5 by 2 means it can be written 2 by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 eights are 28 twos are 56 km per hour. That is the required answer. Option 4 is right answer. Am I clear? Let's go to question number 3. Two cars P and Q starts the same time for A and B which are 120 kilometers apart. If the two cars travels in opposite direction, they meet after 1 hour. Okay, if two cars travels in opposite direction, they meet in 1 hour. If they are driving in the same direction from A to B, P and Q meets 6 hours. What is the ratio? What is the speed of the car A? Car P. What is the speed of the car P? That is the question. So you don't know speeds. So distance given. So two cars P and Q start the same time A and B. So what I am given in that question, clearly we need to understand. So 2 places A and B given. So distance between A and B 120. A and B 120 kilometers. Already mentioned in that question. Am I clear? Distance between A and B, that is 2 places, P and Q are 2 cars. If are moving in opposite direction, you don't know speeds. So let us consider speed of the car 1, speed of P equal to x kilometer per hour. Speed of car Q, second car, equal to y kilometer per hour. So first condition what I am given, opposite direction. So according to opposite direction, if 2 cars traveling opposite direction, they meet after 1 hour. Actually distance equal to formula, distance equal to speed into time. Am I clear? So clearly if opposite direction, already given distance A and B, if it is moving in opposite direction means what? Car P starts at P at A place, car Q starts at B place. So nothing but both are moving in opposite direction. How much distance given? 120 kilometers. 120 kilometers equal to, so if it is moving in opposite direction, then the relative speed here, which type of speed taken? Relative speed, because moving in opposite direction, that means speed nothing but relative speed. Am I clear? So 120 equals to, what is the relative speed? X plus y. In how much time they will crosses each other? In 1 hour. So finally what I am getting? X plus y equals to 120. Am I clear? This is equation 1. If it is moving the same direction, if they are moving same direction, so already given that condition, same direction, nothing but A to B. So both are starts from A. P meets Q after 6 hours. P meets 6 hours, nothing but distance remains the same. 120 equals to, what is the relative speed in the same direction? X minus y into 6 hours. 6 hours given. 6 ones are 6 20s are. So finally what I am getting, equation to x minus y equal to 20. That is second equation. So by using first and second equation, x plus y equal to 120, x minus y equals to 20. Am I clear? So both are, so equation 1 and 2 adding, so we will get y cancel, 2x equal to 140, x equals to 70. So that is a speed of the P. But question what I am asking, speed of the P. So answer is 70. Option 2 is right answer. Am I clear? So finally what I am taken, kilometer per hour, because distance given in kilometers, speed already considered in kilometer per hour. So finally we will get kilometer per hour is the required answer. Am I clear? Let us go to question number 4. One of the 2 buses completes a journey of 300 kilometers in 7.5 hours, and other nothing but other bus a journey of 450 kilometers in 9 hours. The ratio of their average speeds is, finally what I am asking, average speeds. So firstly bus B1 covers 300 kilometers in how many hours? 7.5 hours. So but finally what I am asking, speeds. Speed equal to formula distance by time. Am I clear? Distance by time. So directly we can take B1 and B2. So B1 how many kilometers traveled? 300 kilometers in how much time? 7.5, nothing but 15 by 2 hours. 15 by 2 hours. 7.5 can be written 15 by 2. And B2 covers 450 kilometers in how much time? 9 hours, whole by 9. So it can be written 600 by 15, because 300 by 15 by 2 can be written 300 into 2 by 15, or directly you can write 300 into 2 by 15. 2 by 15 is to 450 by 9. Am I clear? So according to cancellation, 50 ones are 50 20s, 0 0 cancel, 9 ones are 9 5s are. Finally what I am getting, 2 2 into 2 4, 4 is to 5. So that is the speed ratio. Option 3 is right answer. Am I clear? Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.